Has your existing cooker hood failed, stopped working, and you need a replacement? At Bright Sparks we can certainly help you out with this. We're installing around about 6 or 7 a month at the moment of cooker hoods. Cooker hoods, wide choice, lots of different colours and styles. In the majority of times we install cooker hoods over hobs, which are a triangular type shape with a chimney. Now the cooker hood could be just a recirculatory, so you're sucking the steam and the smells up, go through a carbon filter and it exhausts up out of the chimney in the little grills at the side. Other cooker hoods work on the same style, but there is actually in the chimney a flexible duct which feeds the air and humidity out of the kitchen. Another built-in extractor unit could be the type which are built into your cabinets. It opens up and will start extracting. The extraction can be either through the unit and to the outside through some flexible ducting, or it could basically go through a filter and recirculate through your kitchen. Should you require extraction to the outside, at Bright Spark we can help you. With diamond tipped core drills we can drill a hole through your wall and out, so your extraction goes through some tubing and then out to an extraction vent. The time is a little bit tedious because the electrician needs to stand with a drill piece about that big and hold it steady, maybe for half an hour, maybe for 2 hours. It does depend on the type of brickwork you've got in your home, but that is by far the best way of extraction. Safe isolation for your cooker hood. It may not seem obvious, but it needs to be made safe. So should there be an issue, we can get it replaced and fixed. Sometimes you could find a switch fuse spur in a wall cupboard, or maybe in a base cupboard. Little switch with a little fuse in it. A number of house builders in the 80s were providing a socket right up into the chimney, and you plugged your cooker hood into it. Should there be an issue, the fuse in those plugs or switch fuse spurs in those areas you can't get to, apart from taking the chimney off, cutting out some of the coving across the top of the wall to get the chimney off to work on it. At Bright Spark we always make sure that we have provided sufficient cable to go down into your cooker hood, whether it's in the hood or in the chimney, into an electrical junction box, so the only source of safe isolation is from a switch fuse spur nearby, and if the fuse blows it's an easy fix. We don't like taking people's kitchens to bits just to get to a fuse. We can supply your new cooker hood, or if you've got a particular style or a particular manufacturer, we can install these. Some of these styles are pertinent to the kitchen you have got already. Sometimes the chimneys are going through and up to a flying shelf and up to the ceiling. Often we find that the holes for these are wider than the standard chimneys we can get for a lot of the over hob extraction. Sometimes we have to cut out the pelmet, cut out the flying shelf a little bit more just to get that chimney up into place. By choosing Bright Spark for your new extractor hood, you have the peace of mind that we will install it. We will install it properly, we will install it safely. Plus, for a small charge extra, we will dispose of your existing cooker hood, and we will also dispose of the packaging it came in. Give us a call now on the number below and arrange your new cooker hood installation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload.